No. There's a little snooker on the kicking shrimp. There you go. Just under 26 with a pinch tail. There we go. There. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at this fish. Gorgeous, gorgeous girl. This is your lucky day, my friend. There you go, honey. There's your first red. Nicely done. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It's a beautiful Saturday morning here. Kind of a little bit of a change. Shannon and Justin decided to stay on the west wall and go south from here. I'm going to the east wall, going south. I have a guide trip tomorrow, and we're going to be doing the same thing. The wind is coming from the east. I'm sorry, yeah, it's coming from the east. So I want to be on the east wall to block all that wind. For my clients, they're kind of novices. So I want to play it safe in that sense. I did pick up some shrimp today, because we'll be using shrimp tomorrow. So we're going to head on that wall. Haven't been over there in a while. So that's why I kind of want to head there today. See what's going on. See what baits work well. Blah, 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 blah. And go from there. See what we find. So we got kind of a bad situation here. I just saw something in the water. It just looked kind of weird. And it's it's a bobber or a float. Like a popping cork. And I think it's attached to a red. Because I went to go get it and it just took off. Is that it right there? That might be it right there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it. I'm wondering if I cast, maybe I can kind of snag it. But I'd like to get it off this fish. I don't think that's it. Not a very good situation here, people. There's a little snooker on the kicking shrimp. Come on, guy. Come on. Come on. I knew there would be a snook in this area. All right, dude. All right, easy, 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 pal. Easy, pal. Let's turn you on the kicking shrimp, right there. Nice little snook. All right. Nice little guy. Beautiful little snook. Huh? There you go, buddy. Nice. Nice. First fish of the day, a snook. I can deal with that. I can definitely deal with that. We have like no water. I just saw all this sand, so I decided to chuck the Ned rig. And a few bounces and boom. A nice little snooky. Yep, that was another snook. Oh, I want that bite back. Oh man, that was another nice little snook. There we go. Another snook. Another snook. Snook. A little snook. Oh, he just went into my drive. Come here, dude. This fish is for you, BB. This is your diesel minnow that you gave me. Right there, BB. There's your lure. Nice little snook. Beautiful. Snook number 2. And I just put that lure on. Unbelievable. Oh! Oh! Wow, that was a big friggin' snook, dude. Oh, God. Dang it. That was a good snook. Whoo-wee! Whew! The big-ass mangrove snapper. Look at that, on a Jolene. Are you kidding me? What on earth is this mangrove snapper thinking? On a Jolene. A great Bambino. This guy is, well, he's 10, but look at that. On a great Bambino. My God. That was bizarre. Now we got some fun water.